What happens when your knowledge base grows faster than your team's ability to search it? This is the story of how we took over 400 pages of scattered documentation and turned it into an intelligent support engine using AI and Retrieval-Augmented Generation. Here's the full picture. The problem? Over 400 disjointed Notion pages causing ballooning handle times, constant manual searching, and deep agent frustration. The resolution? A custom RAG architecture that scrapes, structures, integrates AI, and syncs updates automatically. The result? Instant ticket resolution, perfectly consistent answers, no more tribal knowledge, and dramatically shorter ramp times for new hires. And this isn't some niche experiment. Gartner reports that 85% of customer service leaders will explore or pilot conversational generative AI by 2025. This is where the industry is heading. Let's talk about the scale of this problem. 47% of professionals spend 1 to 5 hours every single day just searching for specific information across their systems. 73% of companies struggle with siloed knowledge, unable to find the information they need quickly. And 61% of customer service leaders report having a massive, unmanageable backlog of outdated articles sitting in their knowledge base. Here's the key insight. The traditional search paradigm is fundamentally broken. The more documentation a company creates, the harder it actually becomes for support agents to find the correct answer in real time. More docs should help. Instead, they make things worse. This is exactly what our client was dealing with. A fast-growing wiki with over 400 Notion pages, new operating procedures and product updates added every single week. The friction was real. Agents were forced into manual search workflows, scanning multiple articles, guessing at keywords, and frequently landing on outdated procedures. The symptoms showed up everywhere. Average handle time was climbing steadily. New hires took weeks to ramp up and learn how to navigate the wiki. And customers were stuck waiting for slow, inconsistent answers. So what does the shift actually look like? Traditional search relies strictly on exact keyword matches. It requires constant manual database updates. It forces agents to read full articles just to extract one fact. And it imposes a high cognitive load on support teams. AI-powered RAG flips all of that. It searches by semantic meaning and intent, not just keywords. It features automated syncing with the source platform. It delivers direct contextual answers instantly. And it creates low cognitive load, which frees agents to actually focus on empathy and problem solving. 73% of customer support agents believe having an AI copilot would help them do their job better. That stat tells you everything. Here's the 4-step process we used. Step 1. Scrape. A custom scraper extracts all 400+ Notion pages, capturing raw text, article hierarchies, tags, and metadata. Step 2. Structure. The content is algorithmically cleaned, chunked, and mapped mathematically into a vector database. Step 3. Integrate. An advanced language model connects to that database, allowing natural language queries with direct, clickable source links. Step 4. Sync. Automated syncing scripts ensure the database refreshes instantly the moment any Notion page is updated. No manual reindexing, no stale answers. According to COPC, AI-driven knowledge management systems with proper governance reduce overall issue volume by 20 to 40%. Let's zoom into how this actually works under the hood. An agent asks a natural question, something like, "What is the updated refund policy?" The AI performs a vector search, scanning the database by mathematical meaning, rather than outdated text keywords, pulling the exact relevant chunks. Then comes context generation, where the AI synthesizes a precise, readable answer using only the retrieved single source of truth. Finally, the delivery. The agent receives a conversational answer immediately, paired with a clickable citation to the exact Notion paragraph. Zero hallucinations. This entire process takes seconds, not minutes. The results spoke for themselves. Unlocked efficiency. Average handle time dropped significantly within the first month as agents stopped searching and started solving. Increased throughput. The exact same team size began clearing more of the ticket queue without burnout or overtime. Guaranteed accuracy. Every agent gained access to the exact same current information, instantly eliminating tribal knowledge gaps. And accelerated experience. Customer satisfaction scores improved dramatically thanks to faster, highly accurate resolution times and more confident agents. And these results didn't just meet expectations, they mirrored the highest tiers of industry benchmarks. For AHT reduction, industry benchmarks show 20 to 30% improvement with AI knowledge systems. Our client achieved that. For faster onboarding, benchmarks point to roughly 40% faster ramp time. Our client's new hires bypassed the legacy wiki entirely and ramped up dramatically faster. For expanded capacity, the benchmark is 31% more conversations closed per agent. Our client cleared higher ticket volumes without adding a single head to the team. McKinsey's State of AI 2025 report puts it perfectly. High performers have bold ambitions to transform their business. They are nearly 3 times as likely to say their organizations have fundamentally redesigned individual workflows. The strategic takeaway here is simple. By shifting from a search and read paradigm to an ask and answer paradigm, support teams transition from exhausted data gatherers into genuine, highly effective customer advocates. If your team is drowning in documentation, the fix isn't better search, it's smarter access. And that's exactly what AI-powered knowledge management delivers.